Okay, this is learning the round Are You Sleeping in 3 simple steps. I would recommend after playing each step with me in this video, you go work on that step and speed it up a little bit before coming back to the next step, which will be slightly more complicated. So the round is Are You Sleeping? And the first step will be 1 hand at a time. Everything in this video will be done at 60 beats per minute. And again, I strongly recommend after playing each step, you go work on it yourself and also speed it up a little bit to prepare yourself for the slightly more difficult next step. Here we go with step 1, which is 1 hand at a time. Right hand first. 1, 2, ready, go. And we'll repeat. Okay, now here we go with the left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. And repeat. Okay, I recommend practicing that on your own and then coming back for step 2. Here's step 2. We're going to play the same exact thing at the same time with both hands. You can do this by reading the top line and just playing both hands. Or if you have it memorized and you have the notes memorized, you can focus on seeing your hands play the melodies at the same time and making sure everything is in sync and you're playing the same notes. All right, here we go with step 2, which is playing the same thing in both hands. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, on to step 3, which of course is to play the round in its full counterpoint glory. It will start with the right hand, the left hand will respond, and both hands will go through the round twice, exactly the way it is written in the PDF in the description, as well as anything I might have handed out to my students. Here we go. Step 3, the full round. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, this concludes the tutorial on Are You Sleeping? Have fun practicing.